Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color Chase from Paw Patrol super easy. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I start with his eyes. If you want to support us, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Next, I draw his nose and his mouth. He looks so happy because he's smiling. Now, I draw his face and his police hat. Then, I draw his ears. Look, his ears are perked up, ready for action. Let's draw his necklace with a badge on it. Now, I draw his body, and then his police suit. I draw his forelegs like this. On his back, I draw his backpack. Chase is ready for his mission. And finally, I draw his tail. Great job! Now it's time to color. First, I use dark blue to paint his police hat and his police suit. Next, I color some parts with yellow. Then, I use gray. And pink. Now, I use a brown marker and a light brown marker to color his fur. For his eyes, I use brown. Wow! Chase looks amazing! If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!